When it comes to upgrading or replacing doors in your home, the installation process plays a crucial role in the overall performance and longevity of the door. Whether you're considering a new front door, patio door, or any other type of door in your Knoxville home, professional door installation is an investment that can provide numerous long-term benefits. While DIY projects may seem like a cost-effective option, opting for a professional door installation ensures that the door functions as it should, provides security, and enhances the aesthetics of your home. Here's why professional door installation is essential for Knoxville homeowners. Expert installation for optimal performance. One of the primary benefits of choosing a professional for door installation is ensuring optimal performance. A door, no matter how high quality, will not perform at its best if it is improperly installed. From alignment to sealing, each aspect of the installation process affects how well the door functions. Proper alignment. Professional installers ensure that the door is aligned perfectly with the frame, preventing issues such as drafts, misalignment, or difficulty in opening and closing. A poorly aligned door can cause wear and tear on the door's components over time, leading to repairs and reduced energy efficiency. Sealing and weatherproofing. Proper sealing around the door is vital to prevent drafts, moisture, and pests from entering your home. A professional installation ensures that the door is sealed effectively, improving energy efficiency and comfort inside your home. When a door is installed correctly, it enhances its durability and ensures that it will operate smoothly for years to come, providing peace of mind for homeowners. Increased security and safety. The door is one of the most critical elements in your home's security. Whether it's an entry door, patio door, or a door leading to a garage, a properly installed door is essential for keeping your family and belongings safe. Stronger materials and fittings. Professional installers have the expertise to choose doors made from high-quality materials that provide better security, such as steel or fiberglass. They will also install high-quality locks and other security features that are tailored to your home's specific needs. Correctly installed locks and hardware. One of the most common issues with DIY door installation is improperly installed locks and hardware. Professional door installers ensure that locks, handles, and other hardware are installed securely, reducing the risk of forced entry. By opting for professional door installation, you're investing in the security of your home, ensuring that it's safe from intruders and weather-related risks. Improved energy efficiency. In Knoxville, where temperatures can fluctuate significantly, your home's energy efficiency is an essential consideration. An improperly installed door can lead to heat loss in the winter and cool air escaping in the summer, increasing the workload on your HVAC system and raising your utility bills. Energy-efficient doors. Professional installers can recommend and install energy-efficient doors that feature insulation, weather stripping, and low-E glass to reduce heat transfer. This helps maintain a comfortable indoor temperature while reducing your energy consumption. Proper fit and sealing. When doors are installed professionally, they fit securely within the frame and are properly sealed. This tight fit eliminates gaps around the door that can lead to drafts and air leaks, improving your home's energy efficiency and lowering your heating and cooling costs. Professional installation ensures that your door contributes to a more energy-efficient home, helping you save money on utility bills. Enhanced curb appeal and home value. The aesthetic appeal of your home can be significantly influenced by the quality of your doors. A stylish, well-installed door can elevate your home's curb appeal, making it look more inviting and well-maintained. Whether you're installing a front door, sliding patio door, or a French door, professional installation enhances the overall appearance of your home. Increased home value. Doors that are both aesthetically pleasing and functional add value to your home. Potential buyers are more likely to be attracted to a home with a professionally installed door, as it reflects the overall quality of the property. Customization. Professional installers can help you select the right door style, color, and material to complement your home's design. From traditional wooden doors to modern fiberglass doors, they can help you choose a door that fits your style and enhances the look of your home. Installing a door professionally can significantly boost your home's visual appeal, making it stand out in your Knoxville neighborhood. Long-term savings and peace of mind. While it may be tempting to cut costs with DIY installation, it can lead to costly repairs down the road if the door isn't installed correctly. Poor installation can lead to water damage, drafts, and security issues, which could result in expensive repairs or replacements sooner than expected. Warranty protection. Professional installers often offer warranties on both the door and the installation process. This provides peace of mind knowing that if something goes wrong, you'll be covered without additional out-of-pocket costs. Quality workmanship. By hiring professionals, you can be confident that the installation will be done right the first time. Expert installers have the experience and knowledge to get the job done efficiently and correctly, saving you from the headache of doing it yourself. In the long run, investing in professional door installation saves you time, money, and frustration, ensuring that your door lasts longer and performs better. Conclusion. For homeowners in Knoxville, professional door installation is a smart investment that provides numerous benefits, from improved security and energy efficiency to enhanced curb appeal and long-term savings. With expert installation, you can ensure that your doors are properly aligned, sealed, and functioning optimally. Whether you're upgrading an entry door, patio door, or any other door in your home, professional installation is the best way to ensure a durable, secure, and energy-efficient solution that will enhance the comfort, safety, and appearance of your home for years to come.